Your stand is divided into two areas. One is parking and one is smart city. What is the role of a common in a smart city?
So, well, city planners and municipalities are looking more and more into how they can support citizens and tourists in informing and also in helping them. And with our voice communication solutions, we can give the city a voice and therefore play an important role to make the city safer.
How can a city benefit from the use of a common system?
So with our communication solutions, we think that a smart city is not just smart, but also safe, and it's where we come in. So our smart focus lies on four main functionalities, which is protecting, helping, improving, and also in informing people. And so that's very important to us. And as you can see here, we have the information stand over there. We have help points right there. And also behind me, you can see we have smart street lights, but not just there, also for e-charging stations or public transport or many more. Or if you have a city app, let's say, you can easily use our voice communication solutions and embed that into your solution that you have.
Where would you see a perfect example for a common solution?
So, for example, our smart streetlights are a perfect example. So we have several use cases there. For example, we have a ready-to-go emergency unit, which just needs local power and has its own cellular connectivity. Besides that, if you already have an existing solution there, you can use our world's smallest intercom module, the IM3, which really fits very neatly if you don't have enough space. And you can also create the user interface to your liking. Same is with our outdoor touchscreen solution, so our station, our OD5, which can also adapt very neatly to a smart streetlight. And there you can also create the user interface the way you like and the way you need it, and you can therefore set up either an emergency or an information call.
How can you make sure that emergency calls will be addressed correctly?
So that's why we always have two buttons. We have on the one hand the information button and on the other hand the emergency button. The emergency button goes directly to the respective emergency office or to an city control room, for example. In there, a human operator will answer the call and respond to the demand that is requested, and can definitely be very efficient and respond very fast because they exactly know where the call is coming from. And other is our information stand. You're also one touch away from help or information, but our information button will just lead you to an automatic digital voice assistant, our so-called Ivy, which is artificial intelligence and is responding to any kind of information questions. And our Ivy not just works within a smart city, but also in our parking domain. And I would like to hand over now to Dennis, who will give you an insight on unattended parking lots and how Ivy works there.